Hi everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee here with DeLonghi Magnifica, and this machine was brought in because it wasn't frothing the milk properly or at all, and the reason for that was a bad solenoid valve wasn't allowing enough steam to pass through to the milk pitcher, and so there wasn't enough steam pressure to properly enable the Bernoulli effect, which basically, forces steam over a hole and then it draws, reducing the air pressure, forcing, or allowing the milk to travel up through this little straw and then out here. And we've replaced the valve, and so here it is working, and we'll test it. Alright, there you have it, DeLonghi Magnifica frothy milk once again. Thanks for tuning in to Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos, and if you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.